What's up, everybody? So, topic number 2 of the 24 AI topics in 2024, Guy Podjarny's trust versus change mental model. Let's kick it off with a quote from the goat of all goats, Steve Jobs. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean, to make it simple. But it's worth it in the end because once you get there, you can move mountains. Guy Podjarny's mental model to make sense of AI products is so clean and simple, which is why it's most definitely on the list of 24. It enables everyone to rally around what feels like a very intuitive and universal way to think about all of this exponential AI-driven change happening all around us. Something that can be especially hard for cross-functional leaders across enterprise AI COEs and committees, where you have teams with very big differences in their tech quotients that are all super smart and talented, etc., but they're trying to collectively get on the same page, and it's tough. So here we go. AI-powered products seem to come in different flavors. Some are big and dramatic, talking about reimagining the world and a bold new future. These solutions are exciting and potentially frightening, but they also feel quite far away. Others are smaller and pragmatic, typically focusing on productivity. They promise to make you twice as fast and take away boring and repetitive tasks, making them compelling to adopt, but more incremental than revolutionary. To make sense of this wide range, when looking to build, invest, or use an AI tool, I find it helpful to plot AI offerings across two dimensions: change and trust. Trust indicates how much one needs to trust the product to get it right for it to be helpful. Change indicates how much you need to change the way that you work to use this product. Tools on the bottom left quadrant are the easiest ones to adopt, since their adoption triggers very little friction. They fit into your existing ways of working, so it's easy to try them out, and their results are easily verified, so there's very little risk to doing so. Moving up the trust axis, we find solutions that are only valuable if the user trusts the AI to get it right autonomously. If a task can't afford to wait for a human to verify, or if it's too big in scope to go back and forth with the AI on, it is only valuable if you can trust the AI to get it right. This is especially true if the cost of a mistake is substantial. That's a very important point. The bottom right quadrant is where the true change occurs. It captures solutions that introduce new ways of tackling problems that have become feasible with the advent of Gen AI and carry the potential of being substantially better. Adopting new practices requires humans to change, which is a slow process. But if successful, such new workflows can shake up an industry as they lean on new capabilities, and since incumbents are often reluctant to adopt them. At the top right sits our destination, the future. This quadrant holds solutions assuming users have both adapted to new AI native workflows and have built up trust that the tools will get it right. Representatives of this quadrant often feel like sci-fi, as if it's hard to say how far in the future we should be looking. Sometimes you can imagine a change happening in 3 to 5 years. Other times, macro changes are required, and we may be talking decades. Link below to the post. I really hope you read it. I think it says it might be an 8-minute read. It is absolutely worth the time. It's a phenomenal piece. And again, it's super simple, super clean, which Steve Jobs appreciates, and therefore I do too. Have a great day.